In this video, I will be showing you how to sew the front of your neckline in our Odette sweater, our collaboration with Dams and Madder. I will be using Wool and the Gang's Feeling Good yarn in Buttercup Yellow, a sewing needle, and some scissors. Let's get started. Once you have finished knitting your trim, lay your piece down flat with the right sides of your front neck facing you. Line up the left side of the trim so it sits on top of the right side of the trim. Now thread your sewing needle with a length of yarn in colour C. We're using Buttercup Yellow. Use the perpendicular invisible seam technique to sew the edge of the left side trim to the first row of the right side trim. Starting at the bottom corner of the left side trim edge, insert your sewing needle under the first two horizontal bars between the first two stitches at the edge. Pull the yarn through, leaving a tail. Now insert the needle horizontally through the first V-stitch on the first row of the right side trim edge. Pull the yarn through. Now take your needle back to the left side trim edge and insert your needle under the next two horizontal bars. Pull your yarn through. Now skip the next purl stitch along the first row of the right side trim and insert the needle horizontally through the next V-stitch. Pull your yarn through. To tighten your stitches, gently pull the yarn. Tighten your stitches by gently pulling on the yarn. Continue working in this way until you reach the top edge of your left side trim. And that's how you finish the front of your trim. Remember to follow the steps in your pattern to finish the rest of your sweater. Thanks for watching!